I just opened this. It's the air dispenser. Oh, let me open it one more time. Oh crap, guys, this smells nice. Anyway, let me just close this again. So I bought the CS-X3 Mirage cassette dispenser project. It's an air freshener from Japan, and most people have been, posting about this on YouTube, and they're saying that it's one of the best. And I just opened it, and oh, this smells nice. I was gonna do I was gonna open it for you guys earlier, but I wasn't able to record that experience, and so I'm just re-recording it right now. And so here's the container for that, and basically you put it here, and you open it and close it in here as well, because once you've snapped it in, you can't adjust it. There's no way for you to adjust it. And so you just place this in your car, and you're gonna have a very good driving experience. I'm gonna be putting this in the Civic. I have an air freshener coming from the M2, and I'll make another video for it. But since the Civic is basically a Japanese car, even though this is the USDM Civic, I wanted to buy an air freshener from Japan because JDM. Anyway, for less than 20 bucks, you're gonna get the case, and you're gonna get a default fragrance, which is, I believe, the squash one, and then you also get an extra refill fragrance, and it's exactly the same thing. Let me open this for you guys. So it's the same thing. I should probably close this. There you go. It's getting wasted away. Like, this plastic is gonna smell nice, like this one. Yeah, oh, that smells good. It also comes in with two 3M tapes, just in case you want to place this somewhere else, I guess. Or if you just want to use this and you don't have the actual case, right, then you can do that. I prefer to put it in a case just because, I don't know, the case itself looks good. It feels high quality, even though it's made from plastic, right? And it's not easily scratchable. Yep. This is the case. Obviously it's made from Japan, from air dispenser, or from Eikosha, the fragrance company, Kyoto, Japan. If I mispronounced that, I apologize. But this is the squash version, and for 20 bucks, get the case and a refill, and then an extra refill fragrance as well. So that's it, guys. I still don't know where I'm gonna put this, so it's actually going in the car. The car is very dirty. I haven't cleaned the interior yet, so let's see. So I wanted to place it here, maybe, but then I have to put like 3M tape, right, and place it here. Or I can just like place it under here, or even like place it here. But then I can't, if I place it here, then I can't fully retract that, right? Just placing it there looks okay, but guys, like, ooh, this smells nice. I don't know how to describe the smell. It's called squash, but it doesn't smell like squash at all. It smells like a bubble gum. Right, and it's not pungent, like it doesn't punch you when you smell it. It's smooth, so like you can inhale as much as you want, like, and it doesn't hurt your nose, right? But yeah, let's see. Let me just open it again and go back there because there's more light. So this will be my air freshener for the whole month, and I'll keep you guys up to date with how long this lasts, because that is important, right? Usually air fresheners, at least in my area, you know, Quad Cities, they last like around 30 days just because of the weather, and so that's what I'm expecting for this one as well. 30 days, like fully open, right? This will last 30 days. So your millage might vary. Let's say like if you're in, I don't know, Arizona, it might deplete like crazy just because of the heat. And if you're in a cold area, it might last longer. Or a colder area, it might last longer. But anyway, that's it. So you get a refill or an extra refill. You get the actual CS-X3 case, all for less than 20 bucks. Let's put this away. So this is all you get, right? I'm not gonna use this, at least right now. So actually, let me just put this here as well. There you go. All for less than 20 bucks. This is what you get. And if you're looking into, I don't know, have that JDM smell, I highly recommend this one. Like, I just opened it, right? And I'm already convinced that it's one of the best. But, you know, I'd still like to keep you guys up to date in a couple of weeks as I'm using it. So that's it. Thanks for